pagkakamali na lagi nating nagagawa. Number 1, believing that mistakes are always to be avoided. Bakit? Dahil kapag nagkakamali tayo, we feel na they are a sign of failure or weakness. But mistakes can become learning experience. Sabi nga nila, experience is the best teacher. Kung nagkamali, iwasan na pong wag maulit. Kailangan nating matuto sa mga pagkakamali natin. Aminin at wag itanggi that we made mistakes. Learn from your mistakes and become a better person. That's progress. Number 2, thinking that success comes naturally to those who are brilliant and talented. People are successful not because of brilliance, but because of persistence and desire. Yung success na nakuha natin depends upon the amount of desire we possess. Kung gusto mong magtagumpay, magtiyaga. Success is not an accident. It is continuous. It takes growth and development. Paano natin susukatin ang success? Kapag ang mga hadlang sa ating tagumpay ay napaglabanan natin and we can overcome obstacles by persistence. Number 3, refusing to change when there's a need to change. Bakit may mga taong ayaw magbago? Possible, insecure sila or ayaw mahirapan. Sa pagbabago, we need time and effort. We need to die to grow. Tandaan, we grow only when we change.